Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today we're diving into a common issue with the Conga 1790, specifically when one of the wheels doesn't function properly. This can often be traced back to a damaged cable connection. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your Conga 1790 is powered off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by flipping the device over to access the underside. You'll notice several screws holding the base in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Here, you'll want to inspect the wheel that's not functioning. Look closely at the cable that connects the wheel to the main circuit board. If you see any frayed or broken lines, this is likely the culprit. To replace the damaged cable, you'll need to disconnect it from both the wheel and the circuit board. Use your pliers to carefully pull the connectors apart. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's clean the internal area. Using a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol, wipe down the exposed components to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your device runs smoothly once reassembled. Next, take your new cable and connect it to the wheel first, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, connect the other end to the circuit board. Make sure the connections are tight to avoid any future issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble the base. Carefully place it back onto the device, aligning it with the screw holes. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they're tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, flip the Conga 1790 back over and plug it in. Test the wheel to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your device back in working order without the hassle of calls or travel. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and repaired the wheel issue on your Conga 1790. Regular maintenance and cleaning can prevent these issues from arising in the future. So keep that in mind as you use your device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.